And look at me, I'm wearing one shirt and top of this, and I have my hoodie and then my puffer jacket. So I want to show you guys my outfit, but I'm not sure. Okay. So that's it. The time is I switched up my phone. 9:41, and we're just about to leave. And with that, so guys, follow me for this travel and let's see how it goes. My family is about to pray and all of that, all of that. I like the way I packed my hair, by the way. It was a mistake. I wanted to go and have a bath, and I just did something and I ended up like this, and it's so cute. Love it, love it, love it. And my hair is not in the way, so yeah, totally love it. Guys, I'm gonna be seeing you as we go on this journey together. So let us go. My box is already in the car. Everybody is basically ready, apart from my little brother who is going to be our driver. So we await him. There's no way we're going without him. So final day in Nigeria. How do I feel? I'm trying to think about the fact that I'm leaving my family. I'm leaving everything that is familiar to me behind and all of that. So I'm just trying not to think about it, because when I do, I get scared. So I'm trying not to think about it. Like, I legit get scared when I do. Like, thinking about, God, I'm going to a strange land, even though I have my brothers there, but I'm still going to have to settle down on my own and all of those things. And I'm scared whenever I think about it, so I'm not thinking about it. Full stop. That's how I feel. I'll see you guys. Let's go.
So when you walk back from what I feel you all what no just look by enough for one was so much shell up the command.
This Boeing 777 aircraft has three emergency signals, which are located on each side of the cabin at the front.
When you depart, keep me safe, safe and sound. Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound.
touchdown finally. We finally touched down, and yeah, everybody was taking pictures and all. And my hoodie was enough for the cold. The bus came around to pick us up from here to the airport. And the first bus was filled, so I waited for the second bus and decided to, show you guys my face. Anyways, the second bus came and we entered and then made our way to the airport. We finally entered the airport, guys. It's a long line.
Transfer connection flight. Paris straight there. All connection go straight. Connection flight go straight. All connection.
Not connected.
tomorrow morning.
This way, the next one. Yeah. Internet straight. Transfer connection flight. Okay.
This immigration line was so long, guys. It took forever. We finally finished and then we joined another queue for the hotel queue. So I had this hotel voucher that I was going to use, and then we made our way to the car park where there were people already waiting for us to take us to the correct hotel. The correct hotel was written on the slip, the hotel voucher that they gave us at the Nigerian airport. So make sure you collect yours. Guys, this was where my problem started. Just wait and hear. Hey guys, I am finally in the hotel, and don't mind my puffer jacket. I'm cold. I mean, Addis Ababa is not that cold. It's windy, very windy with cold hair, but with just my Fox-Lucent hoodie, I was okay. But this hotel is cold, and I've removed all my layers. This is the only thing I'm wearing now. So I wanted to give you guys a tour of the room, but I'm not going to do that. I'm tired. It's just a simple room, but it's okay. It has a view. Has a corridor that has a view. And that's it. I'm alone in my room. Yeah. Guys, I lost my phone. Okay, so we moved from one bus to another one, and when we moved from that bus to the next bus, I dropped my phone in the first bus, and we were already on the way to the hotel when I noticed. So when we got to the hotel, I told them, and I had to pay $10 for fuel for them to go back to the airport to get it and bring it back to the hotel. Unfortunately for me, I don't have any foreign currency on me. So it was a very nice man that paid $10 for me. Anyways, that's it. Also, my brother cannot come and pick me at the airport. See, guys, things are happening already. Anyways, I got my phone back, and then the receptionist was now flirting with me. Can you imagine? Small me. Bye. Shoo. Whew. Let me just show you guys a quick. Yes, my power bank. Thank God I brought my power bank, because hey, I thought it was in my check-in luggage, but thank God it was in my hand luggage, because by the time I brought my phone back, it was 1%, and the socket here, you can't use it unless you have a universal adapter. Thank God for power bank, which is almost dead by the way, so I should try and preserve it. Let me just show you guys the room. Where the back of that curtain is where the view is, and this is just all of the room. The bathroom and toilet is the bathroom. This bed now. We had dinner. It was delicious. It was a buffet. Serve yourself. Delicious. I've enjoyed all the food they've given me so far. I have. So that's it. Let me go and talk to my babe and my parents before I sleep. My eyes are aching me. I really need to sleep. Yeah, so bye guys, see you tomorrow.
Next day.
The number of times that we had to remove our socks, remove everything for the security checks in this particular airport is ridiculous, honestly. Like, it was a lot. Anyways, we did all that, passed through so many queues, and then finally I started making my way. While you walk with me, let me give you a rundown of what my morning looked like. Having a bath was a struggle. I couldn't figure out the hot water, so I had to use cold, freezing water to have a bath. I was the last person to go down for breakfast because I thought we had time, but we didn't. I had to rush into the bus. Anyways, I finally got there and we moved. I got to my gate, guys, and I had this beautiful view to accompany me, to keep me company rather, while we wait to board. Finally. Anyways, I don't know the magic that happened, but I boarded early because I was in a queue that moved fast. It was there on my ticket. I don't know how. I finally boarded and we finally took off, guys. This particular second leg was an 8-hour journey. It was really long. I think I used the bathroom like 3 or 4 times in total on this journey. Enjoy the takeoff and the landing process. And this is the last time I'm going to be talking to you guys. If you watched this far, thank you so much for watching my journey with me. And you can expect the process of how everything happened in the next 3 videos. Thank you so much, and I would see you guys in the next video. And of course, watch till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment. I want to hear your congratulations. So, yeah, do that. Bye, guys.
Don't know why it's been so hard for me to say this. I'm not exactly gay, but sure as hell ain't straight, sis. If I'm honest, I feel somewhere in the middle, a little. I've been trying to deny it for a minute. It only comes out when I look at who I'm kissing. It only comes out when I look at who I'm kissing, kissing. I've been so blue, ashamed and afraid, but when I look at you, can't think straight 'cause I like pink. Try to hide it, but you saw right through me. Can I tell the truth? Can't think straight 'cause I like pink. I don't know why it's so important that you name it. Won't wear a label till I'm ready for the changes. It's not a phase, but I just don't know how to phrase it.